Well, please be good to poor old James. He sure has been through a lot. When he was just 9 years old, his father got himself locked up. The kids at school never were the same. Every day just brought him more pain. Nobody ever called him by his name. So please be good to poor old James. Well, James, he tried all his life and finally got himself a wife. But she didn't stick around very long, just long enough to take us home. Love will never be the same. Every day just brought him more pain. She took just everything but his name. So please be good to poor old James. Sits alone on a stool, just sipping something stiff but cool. His life gets worse just day by day. He can't seem to find a better way. Love will never be the same. Brought him more pain. She took just everything but his name. So please be good to poor old James. Life will never be the same. Just brought him all pain. Nobody ever called him by his name. So please be good to poor old James. Well, James sure has been through a lot.